Hello everyone, I am Dal Rajapati, a math teacher. In this video, we will see some basic definitions about lines and angles. So let us see one by one all the definitions. Our first definition is point. A point is that which has no component. Okay, it means point has no any kind of extension or length or width. We can represent it by a dot like this. Now second one is a line. A line is one of the basic terms in geometry that extended in both direction without end. We can represent it like this. A line has no end point. It will be extended infinitely. Okay. Now let us see our third term is line segment. A line segment is the part of the line which has two endpoints. Suppose our one endpoint is A and another one is B. So we can draw a line segment AB and we can also represent it like this. Okay. Now fourth one is a ray. Ray is also a part of line which has only one endpoint and has no end on the other side. For example, suppose we have a point A at here. Okay, and this is the one endpoint, but it has no any other endpoint. So we can extend this into infinitely direction. So we can say that ray has only one endpoint and another one is infinitely. Fifth one is collinear. Now a point lie on the same line are known as a collinear point. For example, suppose we have 3 points A, B and C, and if all of these are exist on same line, that is called a collinear points. Okay. Now if all the points are not on the same line, suppose A is here, B is here and C is at here. Okay, so these all are non-collinear, because if we extend a line then we can get A and C on the same line, but we cannot get B on this line. Okay, similarly AB and AC. So that point which are not on the same line, that is called a non-collinear point. Angles. When two rays being from the same endpoint, then they form an angle. The two rays are the arm of the angle and the endpoint is the vertex of the angle. We can see that different types of angle at here. Here this one and this one both are ray. Okay, and endpoint is here. So this one is its angle. We can say that X and Y, okay, ray X and ray Y both are arm of our angle. Let us see different types of angles. Number 1, acute angle. An angle measured between 0 and 90 degree. If any kind of angle like this, okay, which is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree, we can say that it is an acute angle. Okay, we can draw like this also. This is also an acute angle. Okay, this one is also acute angle. Okay, so simply an angle which measure between 0 and 90 degree, that is called our acute angle. Right angle. An angle which is exactly equal to 90 degree, that is called a right angle. We can see that in this figure we have two rays, okay, and both end point at 90 degree. So this is called a right angle. We can draw like this right angle, okay. So only and only if exactly angle is 90 degree, then we can say that it is our right angles. Now obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that is called a obtuse angle. We can see that here we have one ray at here and another at here. The angle is greater than 90 degree, okay. So this is called a obtuse angle. We can draw also like this one, okay. We can draw also like this, but we must know that that angle will be a less than 180 degree, okay, 180 degree. So we can say that an angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that is called our obtuse angle. Now straight angles. Look at this figure. In this figure we can see that a one line, okay, one line, an angle which is exactly to 180 degree, that is called a straight angles, okay. Every line is our straight angle because every line has a 180 degree. Now reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, that is called a reflex angle. Here in this figure we can see that two rays, okay, but the angle is here. So we can easily find out that this is a more than 90 degree and this is of course 180, okay. So greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, that is called our reflex angle. Now let us see complementary angle. Complementary angles are those which have the sum of two angles as a 90 degree. For example, suppose we have one angle like this, okay. Suppose this one is a 30 degree. I give the name M, N, M2, okay, and third one is M3, okay. So suppose this one is 60 degree. So we can say that 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. So this is called a complementary angle. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are those which have the sum of two angles as a 180 degree. Same like suppose we have one ray is here X, okay, another one is here Y, and another one is at here Z, okay. Suppose this is our 60 degree, okay, and this one is our 120 degree. So sum of the 120 and 60 will be a 180 degree. That's why we can say that this angle YOZ plus angle YOX is equal to 180 degree. So these both are our supplementary angles. Next one is adjacent angle. If two angles have the same vertex and their one of the arm is common, then these are called adjacent angle. we can say that here one angle is here and another at here. Okay, now common is D. Okay, so this is called a adjacent angle. We can write if two angles have the same vertex and one of the arm is common. Okay, same vertex and one of the arm is common, then these are called adjacent angle. Next one is linear pair of angle. If two angles have the same vertex and one common arm, but the arm which are not common are making a line, then these are called the linear pair of angle. Okay, if two angles have the same vertex, here we have two angles. Okay, first one is here and second one is here. Okay, and these have a common vertex B, but the arm which are not common are making a line, then these are called the linear pair of angles. Next one is vertically opposite angle. If two lines intersect each other at a point, then the opposite angles are vertically opposite angles. We can see that here one line is AB and another one line is CD. So we have two pair. Okay, first pair is here AOD. Okay, AOD and COB both are called a vertically opposite angle. Another one is AOC and BOD. These both are also called a vertically opposite angle. Intersecting line and non-intersecting line. The line which cross each other from a particular point is called intersecting lines. Okay, the lines which cross each other from the particular point, that is called intersecting line. Here we can see that PQ and RS both intersect each other at here point O. Okay, so these PQ and RS are intersecting lines, but in second figure we can see that PQ and RS, okay, distance between PQ and RS will be equal every time. That's why we can say that are not non-intersecting lines. So I hope you can understand now. In next session we will see that exercise number 6.1. Thank you.